Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to make Facebook profile public. Friends, if you want to make your Facebook profile public or you want to restrict it to friends only, then you need to open Facebook app. Now here in your Facebook app, you need to press on the three lines. Now here press on settings and privacy. Now press on settings. Now here scroll it little down. And under audience and visibility, you will find option of followers and public content. Press on it. Now here you will find options like who can see your followers on your profile, who can see the people and pages you follow, who can comment on your public post. So from here you can change the options, like you can make it public or you can leave it to friends only. And after changing the option, press on save. So after changing all the options, your Facebook account become public. So friends, like this you can very easily make your Facebook profile public. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.